is, ladies and gentlemen, a dream come true. Welcome to Chicago. Local time is approximately 9:35. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain in your seats with the seatbelts fastened until we're at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Once the sign is off, you may move around the cabin and collect your belongings. Please be very careful when you open the overhead bins, as contents may have moved during the flight. At this time, you may now use all mobile phones. On behalf of myself and your entire crew, and all of us here at United, it has been our pleasure having you as guests on board our world-famous Dreamliner today. We look forward to seeing you anytime, anywhere around the world on any one of United's flight, and especially this Dreamliner. Thank you, and welcome to Chicago.